Welcome everybody. I'm Jihad Chakir, an electromechanical engineer and a renewable engineer from representing here Jet Contractors and its subsidiary Jet Energy. So for the history of the group, we can say that Jet Contractors was created in 1992 by Mr. Mohamed Adil Artabi, but under the name of Jet Ali. In 2011, it was a key year which we have an initial public offering of HelioMaroc in Mazi. Here. And we have also in 2016 the first Jet Contractors has signed with a memorandum of understanding with Arion from China for the production of PV cells in Morocco. In 2016, here we have some key figures. Jet Contractors employs 1,200 employees and had a turnover of over than 112 million. Okay. Here we have the board of directors. Basically, the chairman of Jet Contractors is Mohamed Adil Artabi, the general manager is Omar Tadlawi, and we have Mohamed Yahya's neighbor and Abdullah Tabbat and Hassan as consulting managers for the group. Here we have our team, which is constituted of over than 1,200 employees, and here we have the value chain, which is constituted of engineering department with over than 15 engineers and technicians. We have also a steering and procurement cells for the group, and we have over than 15 operators and 114 fitters. Okay, so for the business of the group, Jet Contractors is one of the leading, is one of the keys of building constructions and general contracting in Morocco. So Jet Contractors is basically specialized in transparent architecture and building envelopes and technical facades for different kind of buildings. Jet Contractors integrate also wood and metal frameworks. So as we see in the figures, we can design and produce food structures and structural and metal structures. Jet Contractors started in 2013. Started interested in general contracting by combining all different kinds of fields of building constructions. Jet Contractors also is the first factory which is specialized in architectonic concrete in Morocco and Africa. Jet Contractors, through her subsidiary, which is Jet Energy, is an actor of the integrated and non-integrated energy efficiency to building. And as we see here, we have our first CPV plant with 1 megawatt in collaboration with Sumitomo Electric, and we are also working on the PV Nord at Lyon. Here. For the new activities of the group, we are trying to integrate parking areas. We are making structures for specific parking areas, and we are also trying to develop and some solutions for different storage, some different storage solutions. And we are also trying to make to start different projects in Africa, especially in Mali, Gabon, Nigeria, Equatorial Guinea, Burkina Faso, and Congo. And we have also some projects in Ivory Coast. That was the presentation from jet contractors. Here we I will present some main projects, solar projects for the subsidiary of the group Jet Energy. Jet Energy is an EPC contractor which worked on many solar projects. The biggest one is the CPV plant of 1 megawatt at Ouarzazate in collaboration with Sumitomo Electric. Here we have one-axis solar plant with the capacity of 715 kilowatt in Marrakesh to supply in the bus station, the electrical bus station in Marrakesh. We are manufacturing our own photovoltaic, our own CPV trackers in our factories, and we have here some samples from our main trackers. We are also integrating solar photovoltaic plants to industries and stores. And we have here an example of a plant with a capacity of 700 kilowatt. Here another plant for an industrial manufacturer. We are working with different technologies. Here we have cadmium photovoltaic plants. Here our next biggest project for the SNTL in Mohammedia. And we have also working on mini stores and distributors of cars and other activities. Okay. So here we are working with the ONCF to supply the new generations of the train stations in different areas in Morocco. We have the train station in Kenitra and the train station here in Tangier, the train station from Rabat, and the train station of Agdal in Rabat also. Here we have a shelter, a photovoltaic shelter with a wood structure at the University of the International University of Rabat. And here a shelter for the train station of Marrakesh. Here we have a special shelter for the Euro-Mediterranean University at Fes. And here it's our first photovoltaic plant with a capacity of 2 megawatts with our own manufactured photovoltaic solar panels. And here it's our first self-consumption installation. It supplies an entire village in the south of Morocco. The capacity of the plant is 100 kilowatt, and the capacity of the storage is 900 megawatt hour, which correspond to 2 days of consumption of the entire village. Here we have a plant constructed for agricultural issues. And we are also contributing to install the photovoltaic plant Nor PV at Al with a capacity of 85 megawatt in collaboration with Aqua and Sterling. So that was the presentation of jet energy, and I'm here if you have questions regarding